Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm going to be coloring in another row in the Low Income Savings Challenge coloring book. So I always put the link in the description box below if you're interested in this book. But today it honestly feels really good because I was not planning on knocking out another row. So let me tell you how I was able to do it. So today reminded me why small financial decisions matter so much. So earlier today, I had to go to Walmart to replace my front driver tire. Not exactly a fun expense. Definitely not something that I had planned for. I was outside and I happened to look down at my tire one day and I could see threads. I could see the threads in the tire. And I thought, okay, I pushed this way too long. It's time to replace this tire. And I could tell my car, when I got up to about 70 miles per hour, so it started riding a bit rough. So when you're on a tight budget, stuff like this can completely throw things off. It just never seems to be the right time to replace tires. But anyway, I just wanted to push through the holidays. And I thought, okay, I'll put this in my January 1st budget. So that was the plan. That was when I was going to spend the money on the tire. So fast forward to today. I went into Walmart to find the tire. They showed me different options, what I could get. But something unexpected happened. When they pulled up my information, they told me I had the tire protection plan. I think I've always had it, but they've never prorated anything. And because of that plan, I only had to pay half the price of the tire. So I wasn't going to argue with them. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I was supposed to get a certain number of miles out of that tire and I didn't. But that moment right there, that was a quiet win for me. Now, here's where the savings challenge comes in. Instead of thinking, oh, I saved money, let me spend the rest, I decided to treat that difference like it had never existed. That money was already mentally gone. It was already accounted for on my spreadsheet. So instead of spending it, I transferred it straight into savings. No debate, no second guessing. That's what this challenge is really teaching me. It's not about having a lot of money. It's about what you do when life doesn't take everything you expected it to take from you. While I color in this row, I'm thinking about how easy it would have been to let that extra money disappear into groceries, going out to eat, or some kind of random spending. Or because I was in Walmart, I could have easily picked up a couple of other things. But today I chose Future Me. I chose stability over impulse, and moments like this add up. One protected tire, one savings transfer, one colored row. That's how progress looks when you're building from where you are. If you're doing a savings challenge too, especially on a lower income, remember this. Every time life gives you a break, even a small one, you get to decide where that money goes. And today, mine went into savings. All right, thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Again, I will leave the link in the description box in the top pinned comment, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.